So things were going well, and now it's full-on rain with hail. And I'm about 15 miles away from home. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I knew it was going to rain, but they said it was going to be around noon, and it's 11 o'clock, so it's a little early. And I guess I'll just have to deal with it. As long as some of the precipitation stays frozen, so it's like little ice pellets falling, it should be okay. Well, maybe I should have brought a rain jacket, but I guess that would have been too easy.